Another piece of security and configuring it on the Domino server is within the Notes.ini. And I encourage all of you to go and look at your server or servers, Notes.ini, and look for lines that start with the values that I have listed here. If you have those lines, and you're going to have those lines in your Notes.ini, go out, Google those parameters, learn what those parameters mean, and then make sure that they are properly configured for your environment to give your security what you want it to do. Also, if you Google, Domino, Notes.ini, and just the beginning parts that are listed here, you're going to find other parameters that are available. And read about those other parameters and add them where it makes sense to give your security a boost. And finally, the last one I have listed here is a Workstation Notes.ini. Sometimes run across a user that's a little too smart for their own good, and they may have set that in their INI. So if you have a tool to audit Notes.ini files out there on the workstations, look for that INI parameter.